On the fateful day, accused person armed with dangerous weapons and bomb attacked the deceased and the precautions witnesses. Full stop. The appellant hurled bomb and deceased and he died on the spot, and others also hurled bombs and precautions witnesses suffered splinter injuries. Full stop. The High Court upheld the acquittal of all the accused except the appellant and convicted the appellants under section 302. Full stop. The High Court has not exercised the caution that was expected to while dealing with the judgment of acquittal by the trial court. Full stop. High Court was not justified in interfering with the well considered judgment of the trial court. Full stop. The judgment of the High Court is set aside and that of the trial court is restored. Full stop. The well considered judgment of the trial court has been upset by the High Court, and in its judgment, the High Court relied on the complaint. Full stop. There is hardly any consideration in the High Court's judgment, more particularly of the mix up of timings as regards the complaint. Full stop. In the complaint, it is specifically alleged that the Telugu Dasam party was led by the appellant. Full stop. Both the parties had fought in connection with using the road, and the witness himself and his party people were accused in that case and were absconding. Full stop. It is then suggested precautions witnesses one and other persons went to cart the paddy hay off, and while they were bundling the hay, the 16 accused persons came there, and the appellant A2, A3 were holding bombs in their hands. Full stop. It was the appellant who hurled a bomb on deceased. Full stop. The said bomb exploded and deceased fell down and died on the spot. Then the others also started hurling the bombs. Full stop. Precautions witnesses one then refers to his being hacked by other accused persons with a hunting sickle and on the right knee with the spear. Full stop. He then refers to an injury caused on his little finger because of the spear. Full stop. He then refers to the police firing a gun. Full stop. After then, he refers that all the injured came to the government hospital and were being treated. Full stop. On seeing the evidence of PW1, in the light of evidence of precautions witnesses 14, head constable, and precautions witnesses 15, circle inspector, the falsity of his evidence becomes clear. Full stop. Though in his examination in chief he claimed that all of them, along with the women folk, were taken in the tractor. Full stop.